We're going to do a brief video now on the stock market, and stick with me to the very end, and we'll show you how to get these exact entry prices for stocks every morning during the week at 7 a.m. at no cost from RBAMresearch.com. Let's take a look at this sheet in front of us. This is basically the output from stock algorithms that determine the entry prices. These are buy-only entry prices, and these are particularly listed for 1, 5, and 20-day holding periods. That basically means you would buy the stock today, cover it tomorrow, buy today, cover 5 days, buy today, cover 20 days, and these are trading days, not calendar days. If we go to the left side, we see the tickers. We have 190 plus stocks covered here. A zero simply means that the market's overbought today, and so there's no buy price. Each day you'll either have a buy price or a zero. There's no shorts available currently for stocks, just buy onlys. These are updated every day, Monday through Friday, at RBAMresearch.com. Again, we're going to show you at the end how to subscribe if you'd like to do that. If we scan down here real quick, let's find something that actually has a buy price. Take a look at Walmart today. This would be a one-day hold, $122 and some change. Same thing for a 5-day hold, and then a 20-day hold. You could pay up to $123.11 and have a really good shot at making a swing profit on it. You can use these buy prices for day trading. You can use them for a short-term 5-day swing or a 20-day swing, and it's a great way to back up your own research. You can come in here every morning before 7 a.m., after 7 a.m., but they're published before 7 a.m., and back up your own research and see how it compares to what you're thinking of doing each trading day. Again, we publish 190 of them before 7 a.m. Monday through Friday. If you scan down here, you can take a look real quick. We cover most of these stocks are the most actives, and most of them have an entry price every day. Today is just showing that the market's extremely overbought, and anything with a zero, there's no recommended entry price today to follow. You can see CVS Health here today at 96 bucks, and Alibaba Group 80, Bristol Myers. These are all the major stocks, Starbucks, and all these stocks are very active. You can easily get some trades off on these on a regular basis. Normally, on a normal day, you would have, out of 190, you'd have at least 100 to 150 entry prices, but when you have an overbought market, it's going to show you a lot of zeros. To get these every morning, let me scroll down to the bottom. You can get them at RBAMresearch.com right here. We have 190 stocks, the major forex pairs, crypto, and the most liquid futures contracts, updated every weekday by 7 a.m. Keep in mind, all of this information is for entertainment purposes only, and you definitely trade at your own risk. You should never rely on anything we show you on any page of this website to determine whether to enter a trade. These are for reference points only. If you like this video, please give us a like button down below. Please subscribe if you want to do that. And again, for entertainment purposes only, trade at your own risk. You can get all of these, no charge, 100% free, no credit card required, by signing up at RBAMresearch.com, and you'll get them Monday through Friday before 7 a.m.